A person with visual impairments is in trouble because there is no tactile paving to follow. Have you ever felt that tactile paving is necessary, but wish there was one that was easy for a wheelchair to pass through? Hodokun, which we introduce in this video, will be a solution to such a problem. Hodokun, a set of guideway rubber mats, is an alternative to tactile paving. Hodokun, conceptualized by a visually impaired person, is the product for indoor use only. There are two types of guideway mat, middle type and edge type. These two types are connected together to create a guideway. Both types have a gently sloping shape from the 7 mm thick center to the edges. The edge thickness is less than 1 mm. The entire guideway is shaped like a gentle slope, allowing wheelchairs, strollers, and other wheeled vehicles to pass smoothly. Since it is made of rubber material, you can recognize the difference between the guideway mat and the floor by the sound it makes when you tap it with a white cane. Therefore, the surface of the guideway mat is patterned, allowing the user to feel the difference in texture from the floor when sliding a white cane. Hodokun is available in 6 color variations. The contrast between the guideway and the floor makes it easy for persons with low vision to recognize the guideway. One of the features of guideway mats is that they can be added later where tactile paving is missing. Adding guideway mats as branch lines to existing tactile paving can provide additional information to persons with visual impairments. Since it is installed by attaching it to the existing floor with double-sided tape, no major floor repair work is required. Installation can be done in a short time. This product has been used in more than 1,000 locations throughout Japan. Let's work together to create a space where all people can move freely. For more information, please visit the product website.